How to reconnect with people you unfollowed on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to reconnect with people you unfollowed on Facebook app. Go to your Facebook, click on those three lines up there, and now click on the setting icon beside the search icon and click on new feed, and here click on reconnect and reconnect with people you did unfollowed. You choose to stop seeing posts from these people and groups, tap to follow them again and see their posts in your feed. And this is it. Like you see, I have no list or following. This is why I don't have here a list to tap and choose. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.